Welcome to the Client Tips and Tricks video series. Today, we want to share with you how quick and easy it is to enable GT eForms Assistant, powered by IDA. Once your environment is upgraded to 3.70, setup is easy. Just a few simple steps. Email support@gideontaylor.com to request your client keys. When you receive your keys, you will enter them in the eForms Assistant Environment Setup page. Finally, enable the eForms Assistant on the form and create FAQs. Let's take a deeper dive into this last step. Open up the form in Form Setup. Click on the arrow at the top of the page to the right of the tabs and find the eForms Assistant tab. Check Enable eForms Assistant to turn it on for this particular form. Start by entering the description of the form type. The description should be 2 to 3 sentences about what the form is used for. If eForms Assistant or IDA is enabled for users outside of a specific form, the assistant can use this description to help users find the appropriate form type to fill out. Next, enter frequently asked questions and corresponding answers to assist eForms users as they are completing the form. Answers can include links to additional content or policies. To enter another question and answer, click the plus button. The Add URL link is the link to the add task for the form type. Users can ask for the assistant to find the correct form to fill out, and the link to the form will be given in the answer. A default value will automatically be created that should work for most organizations, but it can be changed if needed. Save and build your form, and you are ready to go. It is that simple. We can help you get started with a 60-minute personalized onboarding session with a GT expert. The goal of the session is to help you better understand the capabilities of the tool and get up and running as quickly as possible. To schedule your session, visit our website and fill out the form request.